also acting, and you're playing a double role on screen. So it's like, so I was really happy that she was taking a large part of the load, and I could enjoy the creative process.
Right. Coming to you as well, you've written films for Netflix which we've enjoyed. Again, big decision for you doing, why Netflix original? Why produce?
So why Netflix original? Because of course, access to a worldwide audience. And why the decision to produce? Simply because you want, as a writer, you write a film and then you hand it over to a director or producer to, take it through. But when you really want to be involved, like you said, from the word go, be a part of the entire journey and see it through and make sure that whatever is written on paper, when the audience sees it, they feel the same emotion, they feel the same vibe. So to make sure that your baby is taken care of till the end, I thought what better way to tell my story and the writer and producer. And Draupadi is a very special story. It's very close to our hearts. It has something very important to say, something very emotional, and that needs to be said in today's times. It's very engaging. It's a beautiful story. So when I was writing it, I was feeling that this is a story that I really need to own it, and I just think it's universe coming together because I got a producing partner who is equally passionate about the story. When I narrated it to her, I remember she had actually one part of this idea came from her because she really felt so strongly about the issue. And then when I circled back to her with the full story, I could literally see the tears in her eyes and how passionately she felt about it. And I was so happy that she's my producing partner on this. Let's do something. And then I was like, "Tujhe kya karna bata?" So she had something in mind. I had this story in mind.
And actually, when I met her saying, I want to produce a film. So I want something that my heart really, really feels strongly for. And she was like, even I want to produce what I write.
Because Haseen Dilruba and Mihai, I was the co-producer already. And I've already been producing most of my films as a co-producer. So for me, it was my next step. I was ready for my next step as an independent producer, producing under my banner Katha Pictures. And then, this perfect synergy happened. And Kriti also wanted to produce. She was feeling very strongly about the story. So, ऐसे करते karma ban gaya, and I thought it was the most beautiful thing that happened.
Amazing. Kajol is in it, so the minute I hear कि Kriti Kajol एक film है, I'm like, take my ticket. I am already buying a ticket for this one, so I'm.
Sorry, इसके लिए ticket नहीं, आपको subscription लेना पड़ेगा.
Yes. So I'm totally sold. I'll totally watch this movie. When did Kajol come on board? You both are producers. Okay, now talk as producers.
So basically, as a writer first, I'd say, and I was so excited. It will be Kriti and Kajol on screen playing these characters. As a producer, even more so. And Kajol came a little later. We were going through one or two more names for playing that character. And I remember I went to narrate the script to her. So मैंने कई बार बताया वो when I started the story, she took out her knitting needles and वो sweater बनाने लग गई. मैंने कहा I don't know if this is going well. She's knitting a sweater. I don't know if she's even listening to my story. But then immediately after I finished the narration, she really responded very well to it and she said yes. And then I remember I called Kriti. I said Kriti, she's on board and all of that. So we had a yippee moment. So all these are very cherished memories because we are having that journey together. And I'm so involved in everything. Abhi aage kya hoga next step. So it was literally like a celebration also and not learning for both of us.
Also her character, like when Kanika was writing it and we were like constantly hearing it, it needed someone with that depth and that weight, to kind of pull it off. Because it's through her eyes that you sort of see the story, and it needed someone who was really, really strong as a personality and a performer. And Kajol ma'am is, of course, she's done various kind of roles, and it struck us that she's never played a cop.
Wow, she's first time.
It is her first time. Can you believe in so many years of her career, so many films that she's done, she's never played a cop.
Right. You must.
She played my sister, and I remember just being extremely nervous on that set. It was my second film. I knew nothing about filmmaking. I was learning everything on the job, and to now, after 8 years, working again with her, my first thing was I had this craving that we couldn't really get some really meaty performance scenes in that film, and I was also so new that I didn't really know that depth,
Right.
And over the years I've also learned, found my own craft, realized my own how I work, and it was really nice to work with her on this film where we had like solid scenes.
Wow.
Together, and I think she's just amazing. She's brilliant, and one of her most amazing qualities is that she's very collaborative.
Okay.
She has strong opinions. She will also correct you. Like she would at times tell me, "Ki, no, I feel like here you're saying it like this, but actually you should be feeling like this. If you would do it like this, it'll be better." But at the same time, if I would say that, "Ma'am, do you instead feel like we should do it like this?" And if she feels it, she would agree. And it's not like, "Oh, I'm a senior and you're a junior," or none of that. And when she would like something that I've done, she would also encourage and be like, "Nicely done."
Yeah.
And that means so
That's
much
great.
as an actor coming from such a senior actor who
Yeah.
you've grown up watching, and she's just all in for the film. She's all in for the scene.
Right.
So that is something which is amazing about her.
Nice. कॉप का रोल लिखा फिर काजोल बोल रहा है कि आपने काजोल सोच के लिखा था?
मेरी कॉप का रोल तो लिखा ही हुआ था।
Okay.
इनफैक्ट मीठी तरह भारत काजू पूरी कहानी सुना के कॉप की एंट्री ये वो कॉप है बाइक है
Can't make out much. This is the idea of a teaser. I know आपका डबल रोल है, काजोल कॉप है, बस इतना पता है। कुछ तो बताओ इनको और क्या एक्सपेक्ट करें?
दो पत्ती ज्यादा नहीं बोलेंगे पर जितना बोल सकते हैं दो पत्ती इन अच्छा इज अ स्टोरी अ सॉसी स्टोरी ऑफ टू सिस्टर्स ओके एंड it is a story of two sisters who have a very tumultuous relationship, story of siblings that you need to unravel and take that journey with them. It's a story of a cop who's caught between, should I follow the rule book or should I follow my heart?
Right.
It is a story that delves into different relationships, fractured, wholesome, and makes you question in the end eventually that सही क्या है और गलत क्या है.
Right.
और कभी-कभी जो सही है क्या वो जो आपको रूल बुक में दिया जाता है या जो समाज समझता है कि ये सही है क्या उसी को सही मानना चाहिए या फिर you should use your own moral compass and take your own decision that this for me is right or not.
Wow, thank you for that. To you, double role, like, you prepare for two characters. How did it work?
I think it was one of the most exciting parts for me when she came with the story which had twins. And many times, like, siblings have similarities and they have differences. Here, playing a double role doesn't mean that one is from Haryana and one is from somewhere else, and they have different dialects, or one is Sita, one is Geeta, belonging to different backgrounds and all. नहीं, ये साथ पली बड़ी है, तो इनमें differences हर तरह के नहीं होंगे, So how to differentiate between these two characters? बहनों की मेरी और मेरी बहन हम जुड़वा नहीं लेकिन हमारी आवाज़ कई बार सेम साउंड करती है फोन पे, so things like that. So yeah, it was exciting and challenging because I had to differentiate between these two personalities and just how they are as individuals and what their dynamic is. Also, I think as an actor, it's just challenging to shoot scenes. Especially, in most double role films, what happens is that two people are shown different.
Okay, simple questions. Your all-time favorite female character in a Hindi film? That's a big one, so please.
Written by my husband, Anu is Manu,
Yeah.
Oh, that was amazing.
I was bored.
I'm also a fan of Geet, yeah. I think every girl is. Especially coming from Delhi in that time, मतलब it was one of the first films that I saw thrice in the theatre. So वो होता नहीं था वरना.
एक कोई iconic past की woman-centric film which you would like to remake and you would like to act, you would like to produce.
You know, recently, हाल ही में मैंने picture देखी है. One of my friends recommended it. I saw it once and I saw it again. I was blown away. It's Smita Patanji's Rich Masala by Kekin Desai ji. I just thought at that time, this story, these kind of characters and this kind of emotion, I was just blown over. Please, अगर आप लोगों ने Rich Masala नहीं देखी है, please देखिए. It is another level of women empowerment about fighting injustice. और उस ज़माने में लिखी हुई फिल्म, इतनी layered film. So as a I was very inspired.
Which one would you like to?
It's very tricky, but I love comedy and चालबाज. चालबाज अगर कोई आज के ज़माने में करके थोड़ा आज के टाइम का बनाकर, I think that was outstanding.
Right. You know how actresses in 80s and 90s do when you all talk to them? What was the biggest difference between you all and them? The kind of work you all do, the kind of style you all do. Did they have any advantage over you all? Did you have any advantage over them?
I mean, I think the time is very different. I think when I talk to whether I've spoken to like Bebo or Tapu ma'am or Kajol ma'am, I feel like I mean they are like अरे हमारे ज़माने में तो ये सब गाने की तो नहीं था, हम लोग इतना टाइम नहीं लेते थे, इधर जाके टेंट में हम लोग चेंज कर लेते थे कपड़े और so things were more like normal real, but again they didn't have a pressure of every time you get ready for an event, you had to be like fashion conscious and take. And now have photographers taking your professional pictures and all that. It's something else. When I see like Filmfare awards and all these awards of that time, they used to wear their own clothes and like simple, suits and simple dresses, sometimes jeans and top, and go for a award function.
was there back then.
Not limited, yeah.
Not to the extent that we have now, but yeah.
Yeah. Guys, think of questions. I'm going to come to you all in a few minutes. Yes, I'm coming. I'm just finishing the rapid fire. If you could work with any actress from the 80s and 90s, which actress would you like to write for?
Madhuri ji. I love
Madhuri
Madhuri
ji.
ji.
You stole my answer, Rena.
I love Madhuri ji.
Right. Favorite actress in comedy from the 80s and 90s?
From the 80s and 90s, I think Sridevi.
Yes.
Right. One advice to young girls who are entering this industry as actors and planning to enter. What would be your mind? Who would you like? Really young girls.
Just keep working on yourself. It's very important. You have to keep growing. Never think like you're there.
Right.
I'd say wear your smile, wear your confidence, and wear a thick skin.
Right. Good one. Yeah, good one. One actress you saw and you were starstruck.
Rekha ji.
Oh my God! How are you?
Okay.
Okay, I think there is a reason that we've co-produced a film together because and I swear ये होता था हमारे साथ कि हम हमेशा same page पे होते थे, which is a very important thing. हमारे clashes नहीं हुए हैं. I was about to say Rekha ma'am. Madhuri ma'am is my first answer because मैं जब modeling कर रही थी तब वो showstopper बन के आई थी पहले. And I have been a Madhuri Dixit fan. I have, copied her steps and watched TV and copied her expressions and everything. So that was my first moment. But when I saw Rekha ma'am also, just the way she is, there is just something.
That's something, I was embarrassed to Manju so much. We went for a screening and I saw a industry screening. There are lots of actors there and I saw Rekha ma'am walking. I said, what is wrong with you? I crawled up to her in the dark and I was such a cute fan. She's like, what I imagine like you totally lost it. So literally I've done all of this because there's something about Rekha ji that just, that X factor.
Right.
यार मेरे में कुछ है पता नहीं मैं स्टार्स में भी होती तो मैं पूछ नहीं पाती कि मुझे फोटो चाहिए
मैंने आज तक किसी से पूछा है
हाँ मुझे नहीं ठीक है it's okay.
Right. Last question. One actress who you are yet to meet and you would like to meet and you would love to meet, but you've not got a chance.
Madhuri Dixit.
Right? Different answer you could give.
I met obviously I met.
I'm not that
Which actor would you, if you just watched, like, would like to?
I don't know. I can't think of. I
Okay.
really like people.
Cool. Guys, so we'll firstly a big hand. This is
Meryl Streep.
Meryl Streep. Big hand. This is an all-women team. Writer, producer, woman, actress, producer. Kajol is not here. Double role. सब कुछ इधर.
ऐसा है यार एक शहीद शेट्टी है हमारा वो
Yes.
गाना है ना डायरेक्टर इज अ गाय सो ऐसा कुछ नहीं कि हमने जबरदस्ती ऐसे किया है बट या
Yes, guys, mic man, please can you come here and give the mic on this table there.
This questionnaire started with gifts.
Gifts, that's
So
a great
nice.
one.
God.
Huh? She's made it.
You made it yourself?
Guys, big hand. She's made it and
Thank you so much. It was so pretty. Thank you.
thank you so much. Next time if I don't get one, then you see. Okay, next question there right next to her. Yeah.
Thank you.
My question is to you. How do you handle criticism and maintain confidence in your work?
How do I handle criticism? And
And maintain confidence in your work.
I think everyone's going to say something because everyone has an opinion and they feel the need to say it sometimes. But you have to make sure that you surround yourself with real people. And by real people, I mean who tell you very honestly when you're good and when you're not. So you get the real criticism. And I always take the real, genuine, honest criticism, which is not coming from a place of just wanting to put the other person down. I take that very seriously. I think about it, and I really, really see if I agree with it and it makes sense to me. So it's always constructive, and you can't listen to everyone, huh? So you have to also listen to that voice in you.
Yeah.
It is one of my favorites. Actually, yeah, I can say it is my favorite from the album of Dopati. It's a heartbreak song, and I think heartbreak भी एक ऐसी इमोशन है जो सब कनेक्ट करते हैं, है कि नहीं? कभी ना कभी किसी ना कहीं तो दिल टूटा ही है. तो I think एक बहुत ही universal emotion है, and I just love the whole line of it, which is जा रांझन तू भी क्या याद रखेगा जा
थोड़ी कोई बोलता है तो ये दो
जा रांझन 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 तू भी क्या याद करेगा जा किरण करो छेद तुम्हारा.
Great note to end on. Thank you so much and best of luck. Guys, you have been a great audience. Thank you very much. We still have you.
Hi, my name is Prerna Rohit.
Hello.
Which is great. Can you please clap for this very powerful duo and of course Rohit who really gives us the best with whoever is on stage. But trust me, I think it's a पता नहीं आप एस्ट्रोलॉजर विश्वास रखती हैं क्योंकि
थोड़ा बहुत.
क्या आपने किसी से पूछा कि ये आपका समय है, this is your moment to shine because this year has been phenomenal. Can you please clap for Kriti Sanon and her achievements? It's very difficult to basically specify each achievement, but I think you just been extremely inspiring, and as Kanika very, very rightly mentioned, I also believe that you're one of the most hardworking and talented artists.
There are many now.
Like 3 top things which you probably don't think they might be as obvious, like a good script, of course. But like something else that you
Oh,
probably
you want non-obvious ones?
non-obvious ones. If that's okay with you, if not, that's
Yeah,
okay.
of course. Respect.
Yeah.
Equality
Yeah.
in basic day-to-day working,
Everything.
and just to be given a voice,
Yeah.
and not be expected to just be quiet and do what you're asked to because you're an actor at the end of it.
Yeah.
It's a creative profession.
Kriti standing tall once, Kriti standing tall twice, Kriti standing tall forever for the right things. Can you please clap for Kriti?
Yeah, so my highest final nine.
I was going to say 5 or 11, but then I was like, I shouldn't try. Kanika, 3 things you do not compromise on while going for a road trip in a car. What would those 3 things be? Also, by the way, you're looking मतलब मेरा दिमाग खराब हो गया आज आपको देख के. You're looking phenomenal. Yeah.
I think road trip. First is water bottle.
वाह वाह ये तो हमने सोचा. Very good.
You have to be hydrated.
Absolutely.
Otherwise, great music
Yes,
taste.
yeah.
And definitely a great conversation partner.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it's going to be a long trip.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah, you don't want boring people on your road trip. You do an
Exactly.
audition properly.
So in my head, I've been auditioning people for road trips since bachpan.
Bas.
So whenever I go to a road trip, boring, interesting. Always.
Typical road trip partners probably Taapsee, along with Kriti, along with Kajol ma'am, along with like whoever you've been working with recently. ये दो सवालों के बाद में I also have a few questions in regards to your hair. Kriti ये सवाल आपके लिए है. It was just get up, show up, and now you really have to do the drill. What is your go-to hair tool when you're in a rush, Kriti Sani?
हेयर स्ट्रेटनर, क्योंकि
Yeah.
मुझे और कर्ल करना नहीं आता है, सिर्फ स्ट्रेटन हो जाता है.
Yeah, you're not a tongue girl. You're
I cannot handle it over.
We've got to know something that Kriti can't do, huh? मतलब एक चीज है, okay. This is for you, Kanika. What's the craziest hairstyle you've had? And I can totally understand with the writing that you've done so far. You must have had some crazy hairstyle, some crazy hair color
I
phase
tell
of your
you,
life.
the craziest one I've had is just before I sat for my boards exam.
Yeah.
Where my examiner almost threw me out because he couldn't recognize me. I was so stressed. I was like, I went to a salon.
Yeah.
I have gotten a hard perm done.
Yeah.
I did straight black hair and gotten red. Full red hair.
Yeah.
With
Who
hard
are you
perm.
frustrated with?
When was this?
Education.
10 standard. Was it 10 standard?
It was 10 standard.
Stress on your board exam.
Yes, I was just angry at the whole education system. And I went to beauty parlor.
You have a picture to show everyone?
I doubt you want to.
After my exams were over,
Yeah.
I was crying and mummy, क्या हो गया?
Yeah.
Then I'm putting tail. I made it worse. So don't ask.
Yeah. Well, we did ask and you did answer. So claps for that. Thank you so much. क्या हम इन बहुत ही खूबसूरत जवाबों के लिए आइकॉनिक के हैंडवर्स कृति और कनिका के लिए पेश कर सकते हैं? Guys, quick claps! Hundreds! आज हम एक चीज तारीफ करेंगे. I wish I could specifically individually like thank everyone, but I couldn't. कृति इसमें मैंने अपने हाथों से आपके लिए स्ट्रेटनर डाला है. अपने हाथों से. Can you believe it? Thank you.
पैसे भी अपने हाथों से दिए कि किसी और ने दिए?
पैसा क्या है? आपकी है.
इसके पैसे मत देना इसको.
मत देना मुझे. मैं ये सिर्फ आर्ट के लिए कर रही हूँ. क्या कह रही हैं आप? I'm only passionate about work. ये दो चीजें हो चुकी है. रोहित जी भी हैं यहाँ पे. मैं दो पिक्चर्स क्लिक करने वाली हूँ with Kanika and Kriti and on our Instax. Fuji, hello Fuji. Fuji film का Instax है. For Dopatti.
Click their picture.
Two pictures that I'd like to take of the two of you and then we'll immediately give you this print. जो आप अपने रेफ्रिजरेटर पे अपने और लगा सकते हैं. और जब ये पिक्चर हम क्लिक कर रहे हैं, मेरा जो ढलता हुआ मेकअप है, उसके लिए तालियां बजा दीजिएगा. मैं तो पिक्चर भी नहीं होंगी, ठीक है? या? You're not in the picture. You want me to be? बुला दो कोई. Come on. Yes, I'm ready. मैंने ताली बजा के
ड्रामा है इस फिल्म में। एंड में ये बात ये कुछ ऐसा कहते हैं जो आपको छू जाएगी होपफुली, और होपफुली आपकी आंखों में आंसू होंगे। सो दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई आई लाइक दिस फिल्म पर्सनली, सो यू मस्ट वॉच इट। थैंक यू।
There are some claps for. Also, Urban's back. Can you please clap for Urban very much? And thank you, Kanika. And most importantly, thank you so much, Rohit. Thank you.
Thank you. Asim, please. आपके सामने right corner, ma'am. Right corner. Next part. Start to the left, ma'am. Left corner.
क्रित्जू यहाँ पे
Down.
माफ किया
Left. Down. Ma'am, आपके तरफ से center. Ma'am, to left. Center down. Left side.
क्रित्जू
Ma'am. Center down. Ma'am. Center. Ma'am, please.
भाई इधर लेफ्ट में इधर
Thank you. Start from the right. Come to the right, ma'am. Come to the right. Come to the right, ma'am.
एकदम सामने
Right corner, ma'am.
सेंटर में
नेक्स्ट मार्क
Come to the right corner here. 1 second. I wrote. Next mark. Very good. Can you go to your right? Yeah. Thank you. Ma'am, down.
चिल्ला क्यों रहे थे
सेंटर
Left corner. Next mark. Center. Ma'am, on your right. Ma'am, right.
थैंक यू
Center.
मेरा सेंटर नीचे
Thank you.
Thank you.